Hello everyone. In second part of the unit number 4 we have discussed the steps in the value engineering, and the next one is the purpose of the value engineering process. So it determines the best design alternatives which reduces the cost, improve the quality, increase reliability and availability, enhance the customer satisfaction and improve the organizational purpose, identify problems, develop recommended solutions. So operating cost is also minimized, simplify the procedure, then lowering the staff cost, then improving the resource efficiency is the benefit of the value engineering process. So there are the many benefits, and the purpose of the value engineering process that it satisfy the customer, minimizing paperwork, value attitude in the staff, save time and money is the more important, problematic situation and build a teamwork is the benefit of the value engineering process. So these are the purpose of value engineering. Then the stages in the value engineering, from the planning and analysis to the orientation, implementation and maintenance. These are the different stages involved in the value engineering process. So planning and analysis, schematic design, design development, working drawing, construction documentation, construction, operation and maintenance. So from the cost saving to the resistance line and acceptance line, that is the profit and loss, is shown in the stages of the value engineering process. Then the basic principle of the value engineering, that systematic method for evaluating the product performance and value, the use of multifunctional teams, focuses on a simplified product. So value engineering is applied to the problem solving, strategic planning, new product development and re-engineering efforts, and it is achieved by the interdisciplinary team, formal job plan, trained facilitators, functional analysis and documentation process. So the next one is value analysis. This is about the value engineering process, and the next one is the value analysis process. So in the value analysis process, that value means the minimum money which has to be expended in purchasing or manufacturing a product to create the appropriate use of the esteemed factors. Basically the value means the worth or the function divided by the cost is value. So value analysis is organized cost reduction analysis, by which accountant analysis cost is product or procedure. Then the development, as many firms where it is followed by realization of a design and combining through the specification to remove the cost by substituting the standards and the finishing. So value analysis means it's not inherent in a product, it is a relative term. Value can change with time and place. So division of the values are use or functional value, esteem value, cost value and the exchange value, each of having the different meaning of the values, because it is a creative approach of the values. That is, use or functional value means the properties and the qualities which accomplish a use or work or the services. Next one is the esteem value, that is the properties or features and attractiveness which causes us to want to own it, is the esteem value. Next one is the cost value. Cost value is the sum of labor, material, various other costs required to produce it, and exchange value it is a property or qualities which enable us to exchange it for something else we want. That the cost value is also known as the operating cost which is required to develop a product. So advantages of the value analysis is it leads to improvement in product design so that most appropriate product are produced, High quality is maintained. All around efficiency is achieved by eliminating waste of various types. Cost saving provide a measure for judging managerial effectiveness. New ideas are generated and incorporated. Team spirit and morale are improved. Area requiring maintenance and improvement are pinpointed. It is the advantages of the value analysis process. So, in the value analysis process, it is the value engineering process and value analysis process are the different terms, because value engineering is having the steps that how to minimize the cost and time and how to improve the productiveness of the company is the value engineering process. So, and value analysis is a technique of the functional approach is related to cost of function, whereas other related to the cost of the product. Procedure for the value analysis, there is no standard approach or the procedure for value analysis that the ascertaining the needs and wants to customer. Functions of product and components, determine the appropriate cost, identify the better alternative in terms of the work procedure. So, how to implement the value analysis, that is identifying the function of primary or the secondary function and evaluation of the function, that basic question, does the function accomplish reliability at the base cost, and third step is the develop the alternative. So, value analysis steps is same as the value engineering steps, because all the value engineering process is done with the some steps, that is stage as we are discussing earlier in a previous lecture. So, in value analysis steps, gather the information, measure performance, analysis function, generate idea, evaluate and rank idea, develop and expand idea, and present idea. That is what is the value engineering. As we are discussing before that, require the cooperation of all the functional department. It is a total of management which approaches the question of saving the cost from the point of view of the value. That is the function ratio of the function and the cost is the value engineering. Then next one is the use value and the esteem value. It is essential to be considered that how much to be added in order to sell the part, and reasonable price of a product can be obtained by comparing with a comparative product. That if we want to buy something that is a product of pen, if we consider that the pen that it is useful to us or it is beneficial to us, the cost of the pen, the attractiveness of the pen is very important. So, this is the use value and the esteem value. So, there is the value engineering approach, that basically it is depend upon the function and the material, that there are some analysis steps, that is there is any possibility of elimination, what is the alternative method, can alternative material is used, specification is amended, is the size of weight of material excessive, can the quality be reduced. This is the different approach of the value engineering process. Next one is according to the waste control or the unnecessary cost, which is included in a value engineering process. That is, reasons of the wastage or unnecessary cost is due to the surplus scrap of the raw materials, and role of the management in the waste control as a proper inventory control, material management and effective coordination among the department. It can be implemented by using the ABC analysis or EOQ analysis or the ERP system. By using the software, we can control the inventory. And next one is the input and output analysis, that it is the systematic study of production structure, predict the total production of each year. Then production structure of all the industry are to be grouped together, and output material of one sector become the input raw material for the other sector. So this is the one of the value analysis phase. Then the phases of the value analysis as same as the value engineering phases, that is original or the informative phase, then innovative, evaluation, choice, implementation, review, as is monitoring and the control phase. Product development in the value engineering process, that the customer requirement, operators convenience, type of material, work method and equipment. Design, planning, specialized function visible in long run. So second one is the application of value engineering process, overall quality and performance, work together to reduce the cost, latest development, service function and desired objective. Then next one is the simplification of the product, eliminate the undesirable features. The main purpose is to improve the quality and to reduce the unit cost. Reduce the cost and process, reduction of undesirable materials. These are the simplification of the product process. So the value engineering and value analysis is used due to because we have to implement the base of product, based of the construction management process. It can be implemented to the road project, then residential building, commercial building in material management process, that it is used to improve the quality, and quality is the conformance to the specification, so it can be used in the quality management process. So it is the interdisciplinary approach to the problem solving. We can identify the problem and solve it by using the value engineering process, and we can improve the communication among the team member by using the value engineering process in the brainstorming session. So it promotes the best solution to the management process. So that three goals, if we are looking in the value engineering, are identify additional functions that aren't attractive to the customer, add attractive function for customer, saving because of elimination of the redundant functions is used in the value engineering process. So it is used to determine the best designed alternative for the project, process, product or the services, and it is also improve the organizational performance. And if we consider also, it is the powerful tool used to identify the problem and develop the recommended solution for the construction project. Thank you.